In primetime news this evening, House Doctor, authorities clamp down on illegal medical office in upscale St. Andrew community. Charged after death, legal spat over Kevin Smith's posthumous murder charge. And another Pathway Church member tells TVJ News his story. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the Business Day, Primetime Sports, Sports Commentary, E-Prime and Weather. But before the break, here's our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what are your views on mandatory vaccination for frontline workers in the medical field? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.